Hi again, everyone. It's Mrs. Moyer with Healthy Habits Start Now, and we're going to do another taste test today. And we have the help of my daughter,
Allison,
and
Natalie.
All right, Allison, tell them what we're going to make today.
Little ladybugs.
Little ladybugs. So we have a few ingredients that are already laid out for us. Natalie, what's in our bowl here?
We have yogurt and cream cheese.
Yogurt and cream cheese. Those are part of our dairy food group. And tell them what this is.
This is a black
olive.
olive.
It's a black olive. And then what else do we have, AJ?
We have tomatoes, grape tomatoes.
We have a grape tomato. Yep, it's important to get the smaller ones. They're grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes.
We have spinach stems.
Spinach stems. Or you could use chives. And then we also have
a whole wheat round cracker.
And a whole wheat round cracker. Awesome. So what we need to do first is mix together our cream cheese and our yogurt. So go ahead and do that.
Not really.
Yeah, try it as hard as you can. You might have to press a little bit harder.
Oh, there we go. That's
Nice job.
Oh yeah, now I see why they.
Get it so it's nice and smooth. As much as you can.
There's a little chunks in there, so you might have to press a little harder. Oh yeah, that's getting smooth, really smooth.
Good. Yours looks really good, Natalie. All right, we can just keep that in our bowl for a second. So in order for our tomatoes to look like ladybug wings, we need to cut them. And Allison's going to show you how we cut. Now we have a really sharp knife. So you need to make sure that you have an adult with you that's helping you cut, okay?
And be very careful, Peter.
Be very careful.
So you're going to place it like this, and you're going to cut the middle.
So we have halves. Now we need to take this half and cut it in half again. So we're going to get 4 parts.
We're going to place the inside part down and cut the middle top of the outside as placing up. Just
Show.
like this.
All right. Thank you for showing them. All right, so we'll put this one aside for now.
Since we already got this.
Okay. So we are going to start assembling our ladybugs. Oh, thank you, AJ. So we're going to take our round cracker and just a little bit of our yogurt and cream cheese mixture, and we're going to spread it all around the top. That's going to help our wings and the ladybug head to stick onto our cracker.
That good?
Yeah. You can put as much as you like on there. All right, looks pretty good, Natalie. All right, let's put that away. We'll get these out of our way.
Okay.
Now the next part for assembly of our ladybug is the
wings.
The wings. So our tomato is part of the wings. You have to try to taste that already. We're not doing the taste test yet. All right, put those on.
Okay.
Yep, you're going to angle them. We'll show you once we get them on. We're going to angle them on our cracker so they look like the wings. Let me show you a little bit closer. All right, so the next part is to add our head or our black olive. We're going to add that to the top of our cracker. Let me show them when you guys get that on.
There's a middle and I don't really.
You can take that out.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, let me show using yours this time. So here's what our ladybug looks like so far.
Ooh, looks like a real ladybug.
All right, and then our spinach stems are actually going to be the antennas. So those are going to go in the middle of your...
Mine is not sticking.
Let's see if you can put those in the middle.
Maybe if I do this.
Very good. So let me show
I got a little ladybug.
There's our little
Yay!
ladybugs. Maybe I can lift it up. So that's just a really fun way to actually get to play with your food. A lot of times your family says, don't play with your food. This you actually get to. Okay. Have you had olives before, black olives before?
No.
Nope. So this is going to be something new for my girls to try. And it's
I haven't
okay
had
to try.
spinach stems either.
No? It's okay to try new things. Hold on, we're gonna take a bite with everything on it.
Natalie,
And if you like it, you can eat
Yes,
them.
no,
If you
yeah.
don't like it, you can always give them another try with something else.
Mhm.
All right, pick up your ladybug.
Oh, I'm gonna eat them for Ladybug.
You don't want to eat everything?
I do.
She's gonna eat it in pieces. Okay, however you want to eat it is fine.
Go.
All right, go ahead and take your first bite.
This tastes like a pumpkin.
A pumpkin? Why don't you take a bite of your cracker and see what your cracker tastes like?
Hold on.
What do you think, Allison?
Well, once I finish this whole thing, I'll tell ya.
Oh, you're gonna finish the whole thing.
Mhm.
Got a lot of little different flavors going on in this one, don't we? We have like
How am I
this-
supposed to eat the spinach?
the sweetness from
A
the
lot.
tomatoes.
That didn't go well.
Olives are kind of sour.
Where my olives
Creaminess
gonna
from
go?
the yogurt.
This tastes like grass.
Crazy.
How do you know what grass tastes like? Just the smell reminds
Oh, the smell
Oh.
kind of smells like the taste. You're right. Well, you know, spinach are leaves, so that's why they taste a little bit like grass smells, because they're leaves, right?
Well,
Spinach is part of the what group?
protein.
No, not protein.
Veggie.
It's a vegetable. Good. All right, let's do our.
The head part?
So the olive you don't care for?
No.
Okay. What do you think, Natalie? What do you think about the ladybug? The whole thing or just the black olive? So we're not really liking the black olives, but that's okay. You can maybe put something else as part of the head. That
Yeah,
would
maybe
be
you
fine.
could use like green one.
You could use a green olive if you like green olives better.
Yeah. And like
What did you think of the tomato?
I think the tomato and the cracker and the cream cheese yogurt was good.
Okay,
It's good.
well good. So it's a little mixed bag there. Thank you for joining us. Let us know if you make the little ladybugs and what you think about them.
Hold
Bye,
on.
friends.
We have a joke.
Oh, go ahead.
Why did the cow cross the road?
Why?
To get to the movies. Yeah, what? Tell it. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Why? To get to the chicken